Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to try this sweet melon that I grew. I got 3 of them. 2 of them I pulled off. One has a hole or something in it, so I don't want to eat it. Probably full of worms. I was going to try it, but I picked them yesterday and I didn't do it yesterday. And then today it looks worse than it did yesterday. So I'm going to try this one because this one looks good. It's one more on there. It's growing. That's probably a little bit smaller than this one. And this one started turning orange. And the one that's rotten, this is the one that has the spot on it. I had it in some salt water because I just started processing the stuff that I picked yesterday, but this has a big old hole in it, so I'm sure it has a worm in it. Didn't look like that yesterday, but anywho. And I got some cucumbers too and put them in salt water. This is what I do when I bring them in. The process is cucumbers, squash, all that. I put it in a little bit of salt water, let it sit at least 5-10 minutes so we can see what's in it to get it out. They come right out. So anywho, so I'm cutting it. Oh, it's white and it's got 1,000 seeds. The little guy that did the commercials for Baker Creek last year, he just ate it. Like, he ate the peel and everything. I don't know if I want to eat the peel, but oh my God, I got 800 seeds in here. So, kind of smell like a honeydew a little bit. Let's see. I don't want to eat all these seeds. I'm not a seed eater, but I will save them. I will, because that's what I do. Save seed. It was sweet. Let me get the package so you can see what it is. It was sweet something. Oh no, can't remember. It's the rich sweet melon. Rich sweetness 132 from Baker Creek. And I was also trying to grow this. I tried to grow this last year and this year. Both. The Kajari melon didn't take either time. So I might put another seed up or another one out there because it got attacked. It just got too hot. Nothing survived. So let's see what this tastes like. And the melon, the rind part is soft, so you probably can't eat it. It's not really sweet. Maybe it ain't right. Or it ain't orange. This one that something was in is orange. Let's see if it tastes different. Let me see if something in it. Oh yeah, you can tell it's different because it smells so much sweeter. I just cut off the back side that was good. It smells sweeter and it's softer. Let's see. Ain't nothing in this side. The other side, who knows? Oh yeah. It's like a cantaloupe or honeydew. No, it ain't worth me saving the seeds. I don't particularly care for it too much. It ain't bad, it just ain't good. And you can take up space you want it to be good. I gotta grow a cantaloupe or a honeydew. That's sweet. Sweet. Yeah. I mean, when they turn orange, this is better than this one that's just turning orange. So I'm assuming they have to turn orange because they're orange on the picture. But it really ain't worth saying. I ain't getting none on here. Got like 3, which wasn't enough. So I put these seeds on here to save them, but I'm going ahead and put them in my Loamy composter. Compost them down. Probably have 5,000 of them pop up. Because I've been saving my compost in buckets. But I keep this little thing right here when I cook, and then I just put stuff in there, and then I empty out what's in here because I use it about, I get a batch about every 2 days, 2 or 3 days if I'm cooking. If I'm not cooking, then I don't get it as often. But I don't cook every day. But I eat fruit, so I have these, I don't know what you call them. I don't know the name of them. They look like sea orchards. Rambutan. These things. Have y'all had these? They taste like some kind of grape. They look so weird, but you just peel them open like, oops, not when I squeeze too hard. This one, no, this look alright, but you peel it open and it has flesh in there, and the inside of it kind of reminds you of a grape. This one ain't no good. I don't say it ain't no good, but it's a little soft. It kind of reminds me of the inside of a, what's that grape? Muscadine, the texture of it. They're not sour though. They taste like a grape. They're really good. We're supposed to be doing melons, and I'm over here doing these things because they're gonna have my sugar up. They are so delicious. They have like a seam around it. You can see, so I just pulled a little seam. Sometimes it come off, sometimes it don't. Just peel it, pull it out, and then it has a big old seed in it. These are the ones I ate earlier. I'm saving them because I think I'm gonna try to grow them. Probably can't even grow them here. I'm gonna try though. They are delicious. Don't eat the seed though. The first day I think I got some of the seed, I think it made me sick. Save them. Anyway, too late to be eating that stuff. All right. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.